everybody, I'm making Dole Whips. First, I'm gonna take the lid off. 4 cups of pineapple chunks. Whoa. 1 cup of coconut milk. Dole Whip is anything. Now we have to. Whoa. Now it's now we have to turn it.
Okay.
Now it's this or this.
That one. This one. Hold down.
Good job. Does that look good? Ooh.
Now we have to scoop it out for 10 minutes. And voila! That's how you do it. So look at this ice cream.
Delicious. Good job, Vanessa.
It's like vanilla ice cream. Let me get more so you
Pineapple.
guys can eat it.
Okay.
That's how you make Dole Whips. And now let's try it. Guys, first let's mix it up. Now let's take a bite.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it is cold. Who wants to try Dole Whip?
Me.